Hey Liz. Hey Liz. How tall are you?
5'4".
Oh, okay.
But I have it on the highest setting.
Oh, it's the highest setting. Okay. All right. Go ahead and lean all the way back. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, she's so. How are you not falling over?
I guess because I'm lighter.
Hello, Amazon.com. It's me, Beau, coming to you today with a gaming chair. I opened it upside down, so we're off to a great start. Let's put it together and see how it looks. Alrighty, we peeled all of the plastic off of everything. Nice squishy pillows. I'm excited to put this together. Evidently, you can use some of these pillows to sort of lay back in the chair. Now, if you are using a gaming chair to actually sleep in, you have issues, and we're gonna have to have an intervention, and that's beyond hyper-focus. This is borderline addiction if you have to sleep in your gaming chair. But anyway, enough preaching at you. Let's go ahead and put this little guy together. So far, it's pretty well packaged, and the steps are pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go ahead and do this, see how long it takes. Now, it looks like you're gonna be basically going from the bottom up to the top of the chair. So I would recommend putting wheels on first, and then you put this little stem on right there, pop on the sleeve like so. Then you're gonna be going to the actual seat cushion itself that you put your butt on, and you're gonna be putting on the armrests. Now do keep in mind when you flip it over and look at the bottom of the butt rest, you will notice that there are actually 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. These armrests are gonna go on the outer 2. This hole right here, it may not be as distinguishable as these 2 holes. These are very well threaded. This one almost looks like an afterthought that they just stuck a drill in there. But do keep in mind that it's the furthest out holes that you put those in. These 2 inner holes will correspond with a later piece. Now you are going to note on the butt rest, there are 2 brackets on the back. One is kind of floppy like this, and the other is firm up and down. That one is actually going to be responsible for keeping your backrest up and down. Obviously, this one is gonna do absolutely nothing. So take your backrest like so and position it on there, right on the back, and then those holes right there, see the big holes in that bracket, are going to swing up and correspond with the side holes. One there. After you have attached the back to the butt portion, then you're going to put the plastic cover on, fix a little screw in there, do it to the other side over there, and then you are pretty much good to go, except for the last portion, which is this monstrosity right here. Big chunk of metal. Just follow the instructions, and basically what you're gonna want to do is make sure that this lever is on your right bottom side, and that's pretty much all you need to do. The rest is just aligning up these screws right there, and when all is said and done, at least in my case, I had 1 screw of each left over. I think they just threw that in either to mess with your mind, or if you lose one, that's very polite of them. And the tool worked out pretty well, except for one instance where I tried to tighten this right here, and it kept hitting that. So I almost wish that the Phillips head portion was shorter so that it wouldn't impede with this. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and put this guy on there and see how it fits. And we are done and complete. This is my older gaming chair. I like the fact that these armrests go up and down, so I would say that's the only thing right now that is the downside to this little guy that we just put together. I do like the higher back. I do like the fact that it's a bit more firm. I don't really like the squishy, almost as if there's a marshmallow. So there is a bit of firmness. There's no padding in the armrests, unlike some chairs, but I don't think there's gonna be a lot of abrasiveness on there. I am 6'2", and so my shoulders actually hit this little wing right here, which kind of encourages, well, a poor posture, which I think is why they actually included some pillows that you could kind of put in there. Hey, lumbar support, that's much nicer. And you can put another pillow up here if you'd like, which is going to make your posture even worse. But I would just put this one on your lower back and you are good to go. As for going up and down, if we were to swivel this way, this guy right here goes up, and if I were to release this, we go down like that. Ooh, I like that. And right above that lever is another one right here, which allows you to go all the way back. And voila, I have my pillow. I'm putting my life on the line. Wow, I'm actually not falling backwards. This is kind of scary, guys. Ooh, it's very smooth, very smooth. Now, I am 175 pounds. If you have a gut that's like 300 pounds, you might tip over. Not judging you at the moment, but just keep in mind that it might not support you. So that's it. I would say you're going to be hard pressed to find a chair that is so easy to put together, that's relatively comfortable, and overall very smooth, very quiet. I would give this a 5 out of 5 stars. I'm very impressed with how easy that was to put together, the accessories that it comes with, the stability, and the overall comfort. My name is Beau. Hopefully this helps in determining whether or not this gaming chair is right for you.